Welcome back to English Guru. Today's topic is powerful. Train your brain for English, listen and speak. Learning English is not just about grammar books or memorizing words. You need to train your brain just like athletes train their bodies. Tip 1. Listen to English daily. Watch English movies, podcasts, YouTube videos, or audiobooks. Even 15 minutes a day is great. Tip 1. Speak to yourself. Describe what you're doing. I'm brushing my teeth. This builds fluency. Combine both skills. Listen to a short clip. Write down what you hear and speak it out loud. This improves comprehension. Bonus tip. Make English your environment. Change your phone language to English and don't worry about mistakes.